It's our 4th day in South Korea and we're going to Nami Island. Syempre, no trip here is complete without a visit to this magical island. By the way, malayo pala ito from Seoul, about 3 hours away. So pwede kayong mag-book ng tour package or in our case, nag-DIY lang kami and let me show you how. Don't forget to like and save this video para may guide kayo going to Nami Island. Commuting here is not a problem because napaka-efficient and malawak ang sakop ng public transportation nila. If you don't know, Google Maps doesn't work in South Korea. So una sa lahat, you have to download Naver app. Madami itong functions but I mainly use it for directions. From the app, just type from which station you're coming from, then Gapyeong Station as your destination. Or you can just search Gapyeong Station and the app will tell you kung saan ka sasakay based on your current location. The app will give you different options on how to get there with different routes. Makikita rin sa app yung travel time and the cost. As you can see, walang direct ride to Gapyeong Station. Kailangan mo talagang mag-transfer train or bus, so piliin mo na lang yung best for you. So pinili namin is via train kasi yun yung pinakamabilis. About 1 hour and 30 minutes din yung buong train ride to Gapyeong Station, but we don't mind kasi napaka-scenic naman ng madadaanan. And we're finally here sa Gapyeong Station. Next, punta kayo sa bus stop just across the train station. Take the bus going to the Namiseum Island endpoint. Maikli lang yung bus ride, less than 10 minutes only. This is like the port going to the Nami Island. From here, pwede kayo mag-zipline to Nami Island or in our case, we took the ferry. I got a round-trip ferry ticket for 16,000 Korean won that you can purchase dito sa machine. Okay din itong ferry nila kasi malawak and it has an upper deck so you can enjoy the view. Around 10 minutes lang naman yung ferry ride and it was peaceful and tranquil. And finally, after almost 3 hours na biyahe from Seoul, ay nakarating na din kami dito sa Nami Island and I'm so excited to explore. I'll post more about my experience at Nami Island in my next video. For your future travels, you can use my code and click the link in my bio to get discounts on Klook. Like and follow for more. Okay, thanks, bye!